Hey everyone, welcome back. Crown Geek here. So finally, a good news. Windows 11 KB5044384 is the first optional update for Windows 11 24H2 users. A pretty nice release, and it fixes all the major bugs in the update and can be installed via the settings. And even Microsoft has also posted the direct download link for this update. Now, I'm very sure that you might be aware that Windows 11 24H2 had some bug with the disk cleanup, and you were not able to delete this Windows Update cleanup file of 8.63 gigabyte. Even if you select it and click on remove file, click on continue. So even after waiting for a long time, when you come back and check again, you find that Windows Update cleanup still exists here and it's not being deleted. This was the first bug. Another bug was related to the command prompt where the SFC scan was not running properly and it always gives you an error that Windows Resource Protection found some error here and it was basically not working. Another bug was related to the Alt plus F4 key, that is a very popular shortcut key for multitasking, and many users reported that while using the Alt plus F4 it gave them a black screen, and after few moments, after some second, then it shows the normal Windows screen. So that was another bug and so on. There were some problem with the Windows 11 24H2, but now finally you can update your Windows 11 with the KB5044384 update, and hopefully this will be fixing all your problem. Alright, now what you have to do? In order to update it, you will have to right click on the Windows icon, click on settings. From the left in menu option, you will have to click on Windows Update. And here you need to click on check for update, and before clicking on it, make sure that below this get the latest update as soon as they are available has been enabled, has been toggled on, and then you have to click on check for update. Alright, so now here you can wait for some time and see whether you find the update over here or not. And bingo guys, so now you can see we have the update here, KB5044384 and KB5045934. So we have both the update here, and it says cumulative update preview for Windows 11 version 24H2 for x64 based system. Alright, so now you have to go ahead and install it. So click on install. So if you find the update over here, then you are good to go. But in case if you don't find the update here, then what you can do, I will be sharing the link in the description, and this is the direct update here, Microsoft update catalog from the Microsoft only, and here you will find two different options, cumulative update for Windows 11 version 24H2 for x64 and for ARM64. So click on x64 and you can go ahead and download the update directly from here only. On the right side also you will find the download button, and it gives you the size, it's around 941 MB. And I'm really happy with this new update because I really enjoyed Windows 11 24H2, but there were some bugs that was disappointing many users. But now after fixing it, I hopefully that many of you will enjoy it now, especially for the gaming and for the best performance. And that's all guys for today. Hopefully you found the information useful. If yes, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.